Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute My Melody plushie. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the face. We'll start with a curve across. Then let's curve it down and in on both sides. And then connect it at the bottom. Now inside, let's draw two long ovals for the eyes. And then color them both in black. Next, in the center, let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. And then a curve underneath for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's move on top and let's draw the flower. Let's leave a gap and let's draw a circle on the top left. And let's add 4 curves around for the petals. Now on the bottom left of the flower, let's draw a curve down and in for the sides of the head. And the same on the right side. Now to finish off the head, let's add the ears on top. On the top right, let's draw a curve up and over. Now let's continue the line by curving it back in like this. And then another large curve up and back down on the left for the other ear. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw 2 angles down and out. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back up. Now underneath both sides, let's draw a small curve down. Now underneath both sides, let's draw a large oval for the feet. Now inside each of the feet, let's draw another oval. And then 3 smaller ones on top. And that's it for the feet. Now top underneath and let's draw a curve in between. Lastly, let's move to the sides and add the arms. Let's start with a curve down and then curve it in towards the foot. And the same on the right side. And that's it for this cute My Melody plushie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!